Hi, my name's Ian Carroll and this is an FTL Talk. Last week we talked about open source software. This week I want to talk about open source hardware, and one example of that is the Raspberry Pi. This is it right here. If you can take a look at that. So the Raspberry Pi is a $35 computer, and this will do absolutely everything that a lot of other computers will do. It'll do everything that you need it to do as a beginning programmer, and in fact this is how I learned the command line, so I recommend this. In any case, it has an HDMI. You're going to need an HDMI cable and a monitor in order to look at it. You'll also need a keyboard and a mouse. You'll need to scrounge up those, and it takes a microSD card. You're going to need at least 8 gigabytes in order to have the operating system on here. As I mentioned, it does run Linux. So yeah, this is a really cool thing. So if you don't have the means, try one of these. And if you're afraid to break your expensive computer, definitely try one of these. You will not be afraid to break this. If you do, it's 35 bucks. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, thanks very much. See you next week.